In this video, you'll learn how to build an email funnel for your Stan Store. This guide explains how to connect your email tool, create an email list, capture leads, set up email sequences, automate your communications, segment your audience, and track your results effectively. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Once you are logged in, locate and click on Account Settings from the menu on the left side of the screen. This area allows you to manage various settings related to your store. After selecting Account Settings, find the Integrations tab. Click on it to view the available email tools you can connect. In the Integrations section, you will see options for ConvertKit, MailChimp, and Zapier. Choose the email tool that best fits your needs. For instance, if you select MailChimp, you will be prompted to enter your MailChimp API key. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once the integration is successful, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your email tool is now connected. Next, proceed to create an email list for your customers and leads. In the email tool interface, find the option to create a new list or audience. This is typically labeled as create list or add audience. Give your list a descriptive name that reflects its purpose, such as customer leads. After naming the list, make sure to save your changes. This will allow you to organize your contacts effectively for future email campaigns. To capture leads, consider offering a freebie discount or newsletter sign up on your store. You can create a pop-up or a dedicated landing page that encourages visitors to subscribe. Ensure this feature is enabled within your email tool settings. Once a visitor signs up, their information will automatically be added to the email list you created earlier. This is crucial for building your audience. Next, set up an email sequence to engage your subscribers. Plan to include 3 to 5 emails that guide them through a journey. The sequence should start with a welcome email, followed by a product highlight, then provide value through useful information, and conclude with an offer. Each email should have a clear purpose and call to action. After drafting these emails, schedule them to be sent at appropriate intervals to maintain engagement. To automate your email funnel, ensure that your email tool has automation features enabled. This allows emails to be triggered automatically when someone signs up for your list. For instance, after a new subscriber joins, they should receive the welcome email immediately. Check the automation settings and confirm that the sequences are properly linked to your email list. As you engage with your audience, segment and personalize your emails based on their interests or previous purchases. This can be done by creating tags or segments within your email tool. By sending targeted emails, you increase the likelihood of engagement and conversions. Personalization can include using the subscriber's name or recommending products based on their behavior. Finally, track and improve your email funnel's performance. Regularly check metrics such as open rates, click rates, and sales conversions. Most email tools provide analytics dashboards that offer insights into how your emails are performing. Use this data to tweak your emails for better results. For example, if you notice low open rates, consider changing the subject lines or sending times. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.